Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Jura impressa F7 espresso machine. Now for this machine we just did a tune-up. We deep cleaned everything around it, especially the infuser. It was super dirty. We had to disassemble the whole thing, blow air through every single hose. We also replaced the shower screen and the O-ring, and we did clean the shower screen of the infuser. We also cleaned the grinder. It was really dirty, that one. Was really dirty. As you can see, there's a lot of coffee, and yeah, it was pretty bad. So we just blow some air through it and make sure everything was super clean inside. And yeah, as you can see, we just had a shot of espresso, but let's do another one. Make sure it goes to 2 point something ounces. Infusion. And as you can see, nice steady water flow coming out of the machine, good color, and yeah, working perfectly fine. And let's test out the steamer as well. That's hot water. As you can see, steady stream, really good temperature, and now some steam. It's gonna take a little bit because the machine needs to heat up and get up to pressure inside the thermal block. But once it's done, we're just gonna test it out. Perfect, it's ready. Pretty fast. We also descaled the machine manually again. As you can see, great temperature, working perfectly fine. And there you have it, your Impressa F7 working once again. So thank you for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day, and thanks for watching.